Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a clear lens and preparing a stable base. Use a Fresnel lens if you have one. It magnifies better. Mark the lens to match your phone screen size, then score and cut carefully with the utility knife using a ruler for straight edges. Once done, wipe the lens with a lint-free cloth to remove debris and fingerprints. Clean optics equal clearer magnification. Make sure the work surface is flat and well lit to avoid mistakes during cutting and measuring. You now build the frame that holds lens and phone at the right distance. Fold cardboard into a stable cradle with a 45 degrees angle so the lens sits above the screen. Alternatively, use a phone stand. Place the lens about 3 to 4 centimeters from the screen. Closer reduces field of view, farther reduces magnification. Once aligned, tape or glue the lens to the frame, leaving micro adjustment room. Test with a short video and adjust tilt until the image sharpness and size meet your needs. You finish by fine-tuning focus and solving common issues. Slowly move the lens closer or farther in millimeter increments while watching the screen. Focus changes quickly so small adjustments matter. If you see glare or reflections, dim the room lights or add a matte anti-glare film to the lens. Should the image remain soft, clean both screen and lens, confirm the 3-4 cm spacing, or try a different lens thickness. The why is simple. Optics and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.